Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get to xTools Black Friday sale here. Just like I did in my previous video for Glowforge. If you want to Glowforge, check that video out. They have a really good Black Friday sale going on as well. But this one's going to be mainly for you guys who want to get into an upgraded P2 from your Glowforge, or if you want to get into like their new S1 machine, which is a really awesome diode laser. Or if you go to craft fairs a lot, this F1 is really cool. I'll talk about all three of those in just a second here. Real quick, to get to this Black Friday sale, in this video down in the description below, you're going to click on the affiliate link there. It's going to look like this. It'll say xTools Black Friday deals. You'll click on this here, and it'll bring you right here. I do get commission off of that, and it helps the channel. It'll have my name up here and show you guys that. But this is the actual page you want to be on to get these deals here. And I know it says up to 60% off, but that's with like accessories. The machines are a little bit less. If you scroll down just a little bit, here's all of the different codes for the deals right now. So make sure you apply these at checkout. It looks like it will auto apply after you add it to the cart. And then here's some basic information about what's included as well. But right here is what we want to get started with. This is the P2 machine. So if you have a Glowforge now and you want to upgrade, this is the best upgrade that I think, in my opinion, that you can upgrade to if you're looking for a sit-on desktop laser cutter versus like a full stand-up machine. So this is really great. This actually will laser engrave around warped objects, so it'll laser engrave around like a curve. You can have an automatic belt feeder in this one versus like Glowforge's pass through. You have to do multiple different ones. And then you also have the ability to put this on a riser so you can get thicker objects underneath this. So this is a super cool machine. I'd really love to get one of these in the future. And then this is the little tiny F1 machine. This is a smaller laser, as you can see over here compared to her. This one is super fast though. It'll laser engrave ultra fast. It's got a little mirror in there that'll just bounce the laser back and forth versus like a laser head that goes back and forth. That's why it goes so much faster. And it also has an IR laser, so you can engrave like metals. And you can see these little tags and chains over here. You can do metals with the IR laser. It also has a diode laser for wood. So super cool. This is their new S1 machine. It has swappable laser heads. You can see the 40 watt is in here. They also have a 20 watt and 2 watt IR laser. So you can do metal with this, wood with this. You can swap them in and out. This one does not have a camera on it, but it does have a 2-point accuracy alignment. So you'll have your sheet of wood in here. You'll touch the top point that you want to engrave and then the bottom right corner point. And this will actually be more accurate without the camera because this is like basically a 2-point touch system. And then lastly, we have the more budget-friendly ones, which is the xTool D1. This is an open-styled laser engraver. And then you have the M1 here. You've seen a lot of videos that I've done with the M1 as well. This one's cool because you have both a laser engraver and cutter, and you have vinyl cutter in here as well. It's like a 2-for-1 kind of machine. So that's super cool if you're going to be doing home crafting and like hobbies there. And then lastly, you have this down here. This is their outlet deals for the accessories. They've got some pretty big discounts for accessories. Their biggest thing was this half off on the actual M1 5-watt laser versus the 10-watt one. It looks like they're sold out of those, so hopefully they'll add some more before Black Friday's over. And I don't know if they're going to be adding more to this along the way, so just keep checking back here and see if they keep adding really good deals like that. But yeah, pretty much that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys if you're looking to either upgrade or you're looking to go mobile with something like this and you're looking into xTool. xTool has been pumping out a lot of new machines that are really cool looking. These three in particular are super neat. The P2, the S1, and the F1. I really want all three of those. Hopefully I can get them in the future and show you guys some videos on those. But other than that, I hope this helped you out. I hope you saved some money, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.